Hello and welcome to RAM HQ. My name is Patrick Maestas, and in today's walkthrough I'm going to give you a breakdown of all the components in our XCover7 Pro push-to-talk bundle. So come along and see what's included and learn how this product could change your fleet's daily operations. This kit utilizes our IntelliScan case paired with a powered vehicle dock, microphone bracket, double ball mount, and included hardware charger for an all-in-one mounting solution. Now it's time to connect our dock. We're going to use a USB-C dongle to connect to our hardwire power source to provide consistent charge to our devices. Next, we'll grab our USB-A dongle to connect to the charging dock that comes with the Aina RSM. This power dock uses clear alignment guides that allow for one-handed operation. Once your device is successfully connected to its power source, you can navigate to your Bluetooth and connect your Aina mic. Navigate to your Bluetooth drop-down, find your device once it's ready to pair, select, and pair. Once your microphone has been successfully paired, you can begin using your push-to-talk apps. Hello, can you hear me?
Hello, can you hear me?
This kit includes our double ball socket arm, which is an easy-to-use mounting system that doesn't require any tools. Simply unscrew with your hand, then you can move your device to your preference. Now, if you've made it this far into our video and you're wondering how this push-to-talk kit can help you in your business, let me provide you with a few use cases to paint a better picture. For companies working in logistics, it's important for drivers and dispatchers to be able to communicate effectively. The Bluetooth RSM in this push-to-talk kit provides operators with added flexibility, since it is not required to be tethered to the device or the mounting solution. For construction companies, workers need consistent and clear communication while on a job site. The Bluetooth RSM allows you to wear it on your person, which is especially useful for site managers while they're moving from one site to the next and not near a charging station. For field services, a technician that's performing maintenance or repairs can wear the Bluetooth RSM on their person. This allows them to use push-to-talk communications without having to go back to their vehicle or put down all of their equipment. In addition, a headset can be used with drivers who are on mobile dispatch to allow them to use push-to-talk communications and promote safety and compliance with hands-free driving laws. For public transportation using shuttle services, using the Bluetooth RSM allows drivers or dispatchers with the quick ability to alert responders in the case of an onboard emergency, medical emergency, or other threat to public safety. This allows for a much faster means of communication without having to fumble for a headset or a cell phone. And when it comes to student transportation, nothing is more important than your child's safety. Using Bluetooth RSM allows drivers the ease of operation to keep both hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Aina's RSM also features an emergency broadcast feature. This will allow drivers to communicate with responders and the communication center in the event of an emergency. Drivers can also use this function to alert team members in the case of road hazards or other accidents, effectively heightening the awareness of your entire fleet. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough the XCover7 Pro push-to-talk bundle. If you'd like to learn more about different devices or other products that we offer, then please check out our other videos or visit us on our website. And again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time here at RAM HQ.